or like later on? Oh, okay. Okay, so first things first, I need you to put on your gloves.
Okay,
So I guess maybe medium size for
Can.
you gentlemen.
can. Wait record stuff. Okay, so the pearls are for what?
So the pearls?
Yeah.
Oh, so then we will be cooking the pearls that you have made.
Yep.
And then as a topping, which we will serve together with an ice cream, which we will soft serve.
Soft serve,
Like,
okay.
which you will have later on.
Okay. Can.
Okay, so anytime when you're ready, your
Yep.
very first step is you just need to roll it into a uniform line like this.
Roll, okay.
Yeah, but the thickness is not more than 1 centimeter.
Okay. So just use my hands up.
Yeah, just use your hands.
Okay.
No right, no wrong. Whichever rocks your boat, just go with it.
Okay.
There you go. So if you feel that it's sticky, then you can dust a bit of tapioca flour on it. So we just want to roll it out.
Roll.
Yes, roll. Into a length like this.
Oh, we're trying to achieve the length.
We are trying to achieve consistent thickness.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so we want to have it of the same size. So now it's a little bit different size, right? But it's okay, no worries. Okay. Then what we'll do next is we'll use this and we'll cut.
Okay.
Okay. Maybe something like that as a sample, or something like that as a sample.
Okay.
Then you just cut across.
Right.
Okay. Okay. So when you're all good, then you can cut.
To how many?
As many as you want. So how many
Okay.
poles do you want to have on your ice cream?
Oh, okay, okay.
I was wondering, sir, why are you doing this? I don't understand.
Okay.
Okay? Okay.
Yeah.
Then the next thing that you're going to do is, right, you just use your thumb and your finger. You just like pinch it into shape. So
Pinch
that
it.
we don't roll. Because
Okay.
if we roll, it's going to end up looking like an American football.
Okay.
Right? So you
Yep.
just pinch it into shape. And
Into a
anytime
ball
when
lah.
you are done, just pop it into the cup.
Okay.
Like that.
Okay.
So we pinch it. So you will notice that the dough is brown. It's because it's made with brown sugar. So the flour and the brown sugar, it's all imported in from Taiwan,
Okay.
which is where the Ellie brand is from.
Okay.
And then when you are having tapioca pearls, right, what constitutes a good pearl is a pearl that is very chewy. So then it's chewy when the pearl is freshly made. Yeah. So then pearls that are a bit hard means that they have been left in the cold out for too long. Or that pearls that are very soggy, this could mean that they have been overcooked for too long.
Oh. Okay.
So over here at the alley, what we do is our pearls are freshly replaced every 3 hours, just to make sure that we can get the consistency of the chewiness.
So are there like pre-made bubble tea pearls?
Pre-made bubble tea pearls, you mean for us to use in the shop? Or
Yeah, I mean like you guys don't use them lah, or maybe other places.
Oh no, so then we do, so actually the pearls that we serve in the shop is actually made in the factory.
Oh,
And
okay,
the
okay.
reason why we're doing this is just to give you guys an experiential.
Oh,
of like,
okay.
what does it take? Hey, like if you make your own pearls, then how is it?
Okay.
Right. And the reason why that's so is because Create the Cafe is open as an experiential cafe.
Okay.
Yeah.
But will clients get to make the pearls? They will.
Yes. So then what we'll be introducing is that we will be introducing workshops.
Okay.
We are planning to roll out workshops over here at the cafe. Yeah.
Okay. So that means they'll get to do like this create your own pearls like what we're doing now. Okay.
So then we will run it in workshop sessions. Yeah.
Okay.
But a lot is we need to listen to feedback just to understand what is it that customers are looking for.
Okay, understand. Oh, then why is it that some people, my wife included, say that if you eat pearls, then it will stay in your stomach forever?
Does it stay in your stomach forever?
I don't think so.
Okay, I think it all depends on what time you have it, right?
Yep.
It's all about the digestion process, right? Like,
Yep.
Yeah. So then the pearls are made from tapioca, so it's all natural.
Okay.
Right? Non-chemical. Yeah.
So this tapioca, then it's just normal flour.
Oh, this tapioca flour.
Oh, this tapioca flour.
So then how we make the dough was that it was tapioca flour with brown sugar,
Okay.
and then hot water.
Okay.
Yeah, then we need it to create this dough.
Okay.
Yeah. So there are no other additives that we added inside.
So that's just like 3 ingredients. Okay.
But the flour is from the factory, so I think the factory does have a certain, I don't know, SOP in terms of how the flour is being milled. Yeah.
Okay.
Because we tried with the local fair price flour, it just tasted different, just like we were curious. Yeah.
Okay. Also, you tried the local fair price flour, it doesn't work.
The taste profile is different.
Okay, and how so?
The texture, it just felt different, even though
Less chewy.
Yeah, we just couldn't figure out why. Yeah.
So this flour you import from
Yeah, so then this flour is actually from the alley. So this is the alley flour.
the alley flour, okay.
Which they use in a factory pretty
Okay.
much for like making their own pearls. So that the service standard is the same.
From Taiwan.
Yeah, from Taiwan.
Okay.
Yeah, so most of our ingredients are like from Taiwan.
Okay.
Other than fresh milk, which we can't. Also, fresh milk is from Australia.
Fresh milk is from Australia. Okay. So then how can people get to know about your workshops?
Oh, how? So then what we'll be doing is that we will be posting it on our social media.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what social
on
media
the
you have?
alley.
Facebook, Instagram.
Yes. Yeah. So on all our social handles, so which will be IG. Yeah.
Okay, IG. Okay.
So the LESG.
The LESG. Okay. So you want to know how to make pearls, then you go to the LESG.
If you want to like enjoy the process of making pearls, because out there are like a lot of recipes which you can make at home, but it's just that it's very laborious at home.
Yeah, then you don't mess up your own place,
Yes,
right?
yes,
so you
yes, correct.
just
So
come to the
here for the
LE.
fun. Yes,
Okay.
correct. So just come in for fun. Okay, so you're all good. Then I can have you just remove your gloves. Then just let us cook your pearls for you, and
Okay.
thereafter we will serve it with a soft serve ice cream.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Cool.
Thank you. I didn't get your name. You
Oh,
are
my name is Lee Sin. Lesin.
Lee Sin. Okay.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you too.
Yeah.
Okay. I think they're having an activity now, like where they can decorate your own cup. So you should go join them.
Okay, can.
Alright.
We'll go and join them. Okay. Thank you.
Thanks.
very
Thank you.
much. Okay.
So we're done.